to tell you why I seem to be hating whites, if I remember you well. And I must tell you why today. I must answer the question. You insisted. Now, you are a South African. I warned you some time ago that let us not discuss the subject. It's better, in my view, because it's a subject that touches serious issues in this country. I'm a child of the ANC. Despite my history, the ANC taught me non-racialism, that I must be never racist, and I will never be racist. But that does not mean I must not correct the wrongs that were done in South Africa. Otherwise, I would not have been a freedom fighter. Otherwise, I would not have been in the ANC with its correct policies to help. ANC says, let us deal with things to help unite the people of this country. Reconcile, forget about the past. That's what I believe in. But there is a reality in South Africa that between us, there are those who robbed others of their own possessions and made it theirs, and left others to be poor. All I'm saying, let us correct that. Not by fighting. We fought many years ago. Not by fighting, by talking. And I've emphasized, even if when I say the land must be corrected, and I've emphasized very deliberately within the Constitution and the law. I've never said anything that makes people to want to fight. Within the Constitution and the law. Some time ago, I was asked, are you going to do it the Zimbabwean ways? I said, no, this is not Zimbabwe, it's South Africa. We are going to do it within the law, within the Constitution. I've gone further to say, if we think we don't have a solution within that ambit, we will discuss. If we think we need to change the law or amend the law or the Constitution, it will come as a result of the discussion. Where is war there? Why do you think I hate the whites if I say so? You cannot have a situation where there are people who have got land, part of which they don't know what to do with, whilst other people have got absolutely not a single hectare. It must be corrected by the South Africans. What do I want the whites to do? Is to say, let us sit down and solve this problem and find an amicable situation wherein there will be no South African who has nothing when others have everything. That is the issue. And that is my position. That is the position of the African National Congress. It's as simple as that. You must look at the ANC as a very important organization that helped us to avert a calamity in this country by negotiating and saying, let us forget the past. That is absolutely true. If you think we need to discuss these matters, I think we are open to do so, with an aim to find a solution. We did not, for an example, want to stick to those points in the negotiation so that negotiations don't succeed. It was important to solve the political issues, but we have to solve the economic issues. We can't avoid it. Otherwise, I'll be dishonest. I'm not talking about myself, the Zumas, who suffered, who were removed from the great town, rich area across the Tugela River. I'm not even going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about what can we do so that people can have, you know, I always say let us not discuss it, but you love it. You love it to come here to say, Zuma, hey, it's the whites. I don't. I've got whites who are my comrades that I trust. I've worked with them. I've been in the trenches with them. The whites. I've been commanded by the whites in the war for freedom. I can't have that. I'm a Democrat in the true sense of the word. And therefore to have no fear. And if at all there was anyone who says, let us kill the whites, I will be among those who will protect and fight to defend you. That's a reality as a South African. So don't misinterpret my intentions and the intentions of my organization. It's as clear as anything. We want all South Africans to benefit from the wealth of this country, all of them.